What a nice day. And nothing to bother it. Just the way I like it. Oh my gosh, you're the one and only Charger Electrobolt. I've heard so much about you.
Yeah? Hey guys! Wait, where am I?
Ah! My eyes! Hey look, there's some sort of alien mothership here. I think we'll be able to get shelter in it.
Yay!
Hello. Hey, where's Jerry? I'm right here. Blueberry, I can't believe it. Says it, I can't believe it. You have never, ever had a single vote. Poop emoji is safe with 2 votes, but banana is out with 3.
Wait, what is the next contest?
Thanks for asking. The next contest is to see what you can make out of these cardboard boxes. What boxes?
Oh my gosh, this is the best!
We need to find a way to get those other contestants out of here. Any ideas? Of course, I team up with the silent one. Hi, Blueberry?
Whatever it is that you want, I either can't or won't give it to you.
Pow, this bit was censored because it is way too sad to see all of Blueberry's structure get destroyed by poop emojis. Stomp.
To make a long story short, my cousin got juiced and now he's competing in this contest.
Oh! Beep. Time's up.